High above central Taiwan, at 2,862 meters above sea level, the Lulin Atmospheric Background Station stands above the clouds, on the ridge of the Central Mountain Range. Far from the direct influence of cities, traffic, and local industry, the air here carries signals from a much wider region. Lulin is uniquely positioned between continental East Asia and the Western Pacific, where air masses with pollutants travel across borders and oceans. This unique location allows scientists to distinguish regional and global atmospheric processes from local influences, making Lulin one of Taiwan's most valuable long-term observation sites. The idea began with a vision to build a high-altitude background station in Taiwan, a place where the atmosphere could be observed with clarity, continuity, and scientific purpose. From early field surveys, pilot studies, and site investigations, to construction and establishment, Lulin gradually became a station built not only with instruments, but with persistence, collaboration, and trust. Every stage of its development reflected the shared commitment of scholars, researchers, technicians, and supporting institutions working toward a common scientific goal. Since its official inauguration in 2006, the station has monitored long-range transported air pollutants and regional atmospheric changes. Unlike short-term field campaigns, Lulin provides continuous observations over many years, allowing scientists to identify long-term trends as well as individual atmospheric events. The measurements include greenhouse gases, trace gases, precipitation, solar radiation, atmospheric mercury, aerosol concentrations, and optical properties. Each record adds one more piece to the story of how the atmosphere is changing around Taiwan and across East Asia. Over the past 20 years, many people have welcomed Lulin: environmental leaders, researchers, international partners, government officials, and young scientists. Their visits remind us that a background station is never only a building on a mountain. It is a shared platform where science, education, environmental policy, and international cooperation meet. It is also a place where knowledge is exchanged, experience is shared, and the next generation of scientists begins to understand the importance of long-term atmospheric observations. Through collaborations with networks and partners such as 7 Seas, NASA, NOAA, the US EPA, and many international research groups, Lulin has helped connect Taiwan with the global scientific community. From biomass burning in Southeast Asia, to Asian continental outflow, to long-term trends of greenhouse gases and trace gases, the data collected here help us see beyond boundaries and understand the atmospheric chemistry and dynamics on a regional and global scale. These observations contribute not only to scientific research, but also to environmental assessment, climate studies, and global monitoring efforts. Behind every dataset is daily work. Behind every instrument is calibration, maintenance, quality assurance, patience, and care. Every measurement is carefully checked to ensure that the data remain accurate, reliable, and comparable over time. On this mountain, science is not a single measurement or a single event. It is a commitment repeated through sunlight, wind, fog, rain, storms, and time. 20 years of observations have become journal publications, shared data, and scientific evidence. They help us understand how pollutants travel, how climate-related signals emerge, and how Taiwan is connected to the wider atmosphere of the Western Pacific. As these long-term records continue to grow, their scientific value becomes even greater, providing future generations with an increasingly complete picture of our changing atmosphere. Today, we look back with gratitude to everyone who helped design, build, operate, support, and visit the Lulin station. Their dedication has transformed a vision into one of Taiwan's leading environmental research facilities and an important contributor to international atmospheric science. As we celebrate 20 years of Lulin, we look forward to the next decades above the clouds, continuing to observe, to discover, and to deepen our understanding of the atmosphere we all share.
鹿林山背景站建制20年，我在2003年的春天的时候就参与先期的规划，全力投入站址的评估、土地的租用，而且呢，从大雪山、合欢山好几个县市政府一路勘察到玉山国家公园，而且跟国立中央大学的同仁，最主要是林登辉老师，扛着这个重达几十公斤的酸雨采样器，在海拔接近3000公尺的鹿林山区，那个地方车辆无法到达，我们气喘吁吁的一步一步的1个多小时之后，终于走到鹿林山的基地。当时的信念与毅力，正如同今天的鹿林山背景站，屹立于玉山旁，监测着东亚还有西太平洋的区域的大气环境跟气候变化，而且跟这个东太平洋的夏威夷的 µ的背景站共同守望全球大气。 这个是环境部许多同仁与学术界通力合作的典范，一步一脚印，路遥知马力。如今呢，累积20年的资料，正是我们的，也是全世界的宝贵资产。我也期许鹿林山背景站继续引领大气环境的研究，与国际伙伴比肩同行，创造普世价值。
祝鹿林山背景站20周年生日快乐
！20周年生日快乐！